Hi everyone. In this video, I will present you the JPresta Cache Warmer service. This service is dedicated to the Page Cache Ultimate module, but also for the Speed Pack module, which includes the Page Cache Ultimate modules. This Speed Pack module also includes a WEBP compression for images and from version 9, an SQL profiler. There is also other features, but I suggest you to look at the video of this product in the YouTube channel JPresta. Also, you can subscribe so you don't miss anything. So, what is the purpose of JPresta Cache Warmer service? Well, as you know, or maybe not, in order for the cache to be generated, it has to be displayed by a first visitor. At this moment, at this first display, the page is stored in the cache and can be served for the next visitors. But the problem is for these first visitors, as it will see the page as slow as without cache. This is where our cache warmer comes in, because it will assume the role of this first visitor. Since it's a robot, it's not big deal if it doesn't have a fast display. In any case, real visitors will benefit of this fast display because the cache will be available. But why isn't it directly included into the module? Well, this is because PHP does not allow background tasks to be performed, or you will have to keep a browser tab open 24/7, which is not possible. Also, we could make it in a cron task, but in fact, most servers does not allow so long running a script, so it's not possible neither. Okay, but why can't we use a tool like WGET? WGET is a tool that browse a website automatically. That's what I was suggesting at the very beginning. But in fact, we need to simulate multiple contexts. Even if it's quite easy to simulate a mobile device or a desktop device, it will be more complicated to select the currency of the visitor. It will also be complicated to connect a visitor with a specific user group or to select the settings of the cookie you have chosen. And also, we would have to simulate the country of a lot of different visitors. So all this complexity uh, make me create this JPresta Cache Warmer service because it can generate all this context. In addition to fulfilling the need, it has several advantages. For example, it will target the pages to generate. It will only generate the pages that does not have any cache available, or with a cache that will expire within 24 hours. Also, an important advantage is that it will adapt the number of bots in real time. That means if the response time of your shop is stable, it will increase the number of bots. But if it sees that the response time is increasing, meaning the server is going slower, then it will decrease the number of bots. And this is really efficient algorithm. I'm pretty proud of it. Another advantage is that it will select the context to generate automatically based on the statistics of the shop. The logic is to generate the most visited context. Anyway, you can select them manually if you want to. Finally, you will have a dashboard with every information like the last executed warm-ups with the TTFB, the number of pages that have been generated, errors or warning, if any. You know, all these informations help me to improve the service and the module. It has never been so efficient than ever. I also added a functionality which is really important for people managing online store. Monitoring the status of your shop. When it crashes or if it's down, you want to know it immediately, not hours later. So depending of your subscription plan, you will benefit of this feature. So you will be able to monitor 3 URLs. You will see the statistics in your dashboard, and you will receive an email as soon as the status of the URL is not correct. And when it's back to normal, you received another email to say, okay, it's back to normal. Also, depending on the plan you will choose, you will receive a report in PDF format with every statistic that you need. The list of warm-up that have been generated during this month, and also the cache statistics, meaning the TTFB of your shop with the real data. I mean, I remind you that the TTFB, which is monitored, is the one computed by the browsers of your visitors. So it's the same data as in Google PageSpeed. And so you will get all this in the report. And if you subscribed to the alert or to the monitoring service, then you will also see all this in the PDF report. So now you just have to choose your plan and to subscribe to the service because you will get 10 days free to test it. So just enjoy it